Hey, so if you want to know how this top was made from a dupatta, keep watching. Fold the dupatta into two equal parts.
From across the room, those eyes kept following me. Something popped in my brain.
Place a half folded top which fits you well on the fabric. Close sides should be together. Keeping the seam allowance, draw the outline of the fabric. Now you cut this and this becomes the back portion of the top. Moving to the front of the top, it's the same process, just that the neck is deeper. So this is how the front and back look after being cut. For the sleeves, place the sleeve of another top on fabric, close sides together. I pinned it up as my fabric moved a lot. Draw sleeve outline with seam allowance. For the armhole, place your finger on the stitch line of the sleeve and mark a matching point below, and in the end, join all the points. So this gives you an armhole. So now we go ahead and cut the sleeves. And that's how they look now after being cut. With remaining fabric, we'll make the ruffles. First I take 4 layers of fabric, then I measure the circumference of the sleeve elbow, which was 11 inches. Divide 11 by 4 because we took 4 layers, which comes to 2.75 inches. And I round it off to 3 inches because I take seam allowance into consideration. Now we make something similar to 1/4 circle skirt where the top part is 3 inches wide as it covers our elbow sleeve, and I take the length as 4 inches and 5 inches so that I can get a layered ruffle look. So this is how the ruffles look. We will now stitch sides of each part as seen in the blue lines. First we'll join the shoulders and now hem the neck. Join both the sleeves. Now the ruffles we made, we join them on top of each other for a layered look, and then we join them to the sleeve. Stitch and close the sleeve and the sides of the top. Now you hem the bottom of the top. I'm just hand sewing some yellow lace on the sleeve for color pop.